Hey there, welcome back to PR Learning Lab. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar to tackle a fundamental concept, the subject. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in. Definition of a subject. At its core, the subject is the main focus of a sentence. It's the who or what that performs the action or is being described. Think of it as the star of the show, setting the stage for the entire sentence. Identifying the subject. Identifying the subject is crucial for understanding sentence structure. To do this, simply ask who or what is doing the action. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. The cat chased the mouse. In this sentence, the cat is our subject. It's the one performing the action, chasing the mouse. Riding his bike, Sam felt the wind in his hair. Here, Sam is the subject. He's the one experiencing the feeling the wind in his hair. Types of subjects. There are different types of subjects: simple, compound, and complete. A simple subject consists of just one noun or pronoun. A compound subject involves two or more subjects joined by conjunctions like and or. Lastly, a complete subject includes the subject and all its modifiers. Subject-verb agreement. Ensuring the subject and the verb agree in number is essential. Singular subjects pair with singular verbs, and plural subjects match with plural verbs. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's tackle some common mistakes. Be careful with phrases that come before the subject, like prepositional phrases. They don't affect the subject-verb agreement. Here are a few examples of common mistakes to avoid when dealing with subjects in English grammar. Incorrect placement of prepositional phrases. On the top of the mountain is my favorite spot to relax. The subject is spot, not on the top of the mountain. The correct sentence should be, my favorite spot to relax is on the top of the mountain. Intervening words and phrases. The book on the shelf, along with the pen, were missing. The subject is book, and it is singular. The correct sentence should be, the book on the shelf, along with the pen, was missing. False attraction with plural words. A collection of coins were displayed in the museum. The subject is collection, which is singular. The correct sentence should be, a collection of coins was displayed in the museum. Indefinite pronouns. Everyone have their own opinions. The subject is everyone, which is singular. The correct sentence should be, everyone has their own opinions. Compound subjects and singular verbs. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. The compound subject bread and butter is plural and should take a plural verb. The correct sentence should be, bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. Remember, these examples highlight common mistakes that can lead to subject-verb agreement errors. Staying mindful of these pitfalls will help you write grammatically correct sentences. And there you have it, a crash course on the subject in English grammar. Remember, mastering subjects helps you construct clear, effective sentences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grammar insights. Thanks for tuning into PR Learning Lab, and I'll catch you in the next video.